Welcome back to the second Diwali makeup video. In this video, we will be creating a gorgeous makeup look using affordable products. Primer, we have the amazing Inside Cosmetics primer, and then I'm applying a moisturizer which is from Pond's. Massaging that really well into my skin, then I'm using the PAC orange corrector. Using the orange corrector on the areas where I have pigmentation, and I'm just blending that in with the help of my finger. Once I'm done with the blending, I'm going to use the Inside Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and I'm just giving it a nice beautiful shape. Outlining the eyebrows and just filling it in the areas where I see gaps. This is one of the most affordable eyebrow pencils and it just does a very good job. Up, I'm using the LA Girl concealer. This is a high coverage concealer and works absolutely stunning. I'm using the shade Fawn and applying it on my eyelids, and then I'm just gonna pat it really well with the help of a blending brush. For eyeshadow today, I will be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, but honestly you could pick any eyeshadow palette you want. Using this Faces Canada kajal, I'm just smoking out the outer V area. I'm scribbling a little bit of kajal only in the outer V area, and then I'm just gonna start blending this with the help of a eyeshadow blending brush. Take your time to blend this out. We do not want the entire out smoky. It should be only in the outer corner. Now once I'm done with this, it should look something like this. Now let's start adding the transition shade. Now for transition, I'm picking up this beautiful shade called Henna. It's a light brown shade. I'm just applying this as a transition color. Now once I'm done with that, I'm picking up this small pencil brush and using a black eyeshadow, I'm just setting the kajal with a black eyeshadow. Using this Faces Canada shimmer, I'm just patting that shimmer into the inner corner of my eyes. I'm patting it with the help of my finger because this is much easier to do so. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics sketch liner. I'm just drawing a basic eyeliner for today, which means the liner is going to be thin from the inner corner. In the middle it's gonna be a little thick. Again in the outer corner it's gonna be super thin. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna pick the same kajal and apply this in my waterline area, doing the same thing on the other side of my eye. Now I went in with 3 to 4 layers of the kajal, and picking up the pencil brush, I'm gonna smudge this out using a black eyeshadow. This will not only give me a nice beautiful smudged effect, but will also help my kajal from smudging. Now for foundation, I'm using this LA Girl foundation in the shade Golden Bronze. Oh my god, this foundation is love. First thing first, this foundation is a very high coverage foundation. Beautiful for pigmented skin like me, and it's also very dewy if you are from dry skin. And if you're looking for a foundation which is a really nice, this is the foundation you should go for. Using the same concealer from LA Girl in the shade Fawn, I'm just highlighting my face. Now this concealer is absolutely gorgeous like the foundation, super high coverage. Now for blush, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics cream blush, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks in the shade Coral. And then just because I'm from dry skin, I'm gonna use a powder contour blush and highlight. If you're from a dry skin, you can do the cream blush and highlight again. For contour blush highlight, I'm using the palette from Creolin, but you can honestly use any palette that you have. And yeah, I'm just gonna highlight the tip of my nose, that of my nose, and also my cupid's bow. Now for lipstick, I have this gorgeous Lakme 925 lipstick. This is stunning lipstick, and this shade complements my skin tone absolutely well. Now I want my lips to look a little more glossy, so I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics lip gloss. I actually broke the cap while doing that, but finally I'm just setting my face using the Inside Cosmetics powder, and I love the way the look turned out. Also, I feel just one single bindi can change so much in the look. So this is the final look. If you guys do like this, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram.